Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Remitly app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Remitly app and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.